Good morning, first grade. I hope you are having a great day so far. Today is Thursday, December 10th, 2020. There we go. And today is the 67th day of school, and your special today is music at 11:45. So before we go through our schedule for today, as always, if you'd like to join me for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Okay. All right, very good. So this morning, first thing coming out will be an application problem for math for lesson 18. There will also be a deep dive lesson on shades of meaning. So you've learned a little bit about that this week. This will be the next kind of follow-up lesson for shades of meaning with the word move. And then you will also record your fluency passage. It will be your turn today to record the fluency passage 2B from the Fables. So those will be the three things this morning. Then we will meet at 10 a.m. for our normal morning live class. We will take our spelling test today, and we will not have dictation, or word building rather, so you will not need to bring your letters or a blank dictation. If you could just bring a blank spelling test paper, that will be great. And then it is Thursday, so we do have social studies today at 10:45, and I'm really excited. We are starting our first holidays around the world lesson today in social studies. So I hope you will find that to be interesting and learn something interesting today. I know I've been learning a lot of interesting things to prepare for our lessons, so I'm excited. So social studies at 10:45, and then we will meet again at 1 for math, and we'll work on lesson 18. And if you could please bring your workbooks, as always, and your dry erase marker and sleeve. And that will do it for today. So let me know if you have any questions or if you need any help with anything in the meantime. And I can't wait to see everybody soon. And here's the puzzle for today. So see if you can figure that one out. And I will see everybody at 10, and I will share the answer then. All right, so I'll talk to you soon. Bye.